Hello guys, so I'm preparing my morning drink. I got up and first thing in the morning I'll take this lukewarm water and I'll add some of the ingredients, so I'll take you through. I have added 2 sticks of cinnamon into the water and I'll keep it till it boils, and all the extracts of the cinnamon can dissolve in this water. Then I'll pour it into my chia seed. So this is inclusive of 2 seeds actually, chia seeds and sabja seed. I soaked it overnight, and then I will add apple cider vinegar to it. I think this boils, so I need to stop it. And 2 spoon of apple cider vinegar I'll add into this, and 1 tablespoon of honey, and I'll mix it all, and then I'll sip it with my straw. So that's it. That's my morning drink, and this I take every day without fail. That's the first thing which goes into my stomach.